Good day, good people. Welcome to Good for Good Loot. Today's LOT of the day is one of these 4 Chinese Pokemon boxes. Make a guess which one I'm gonna open. Oh wait, title is already given. So the box that I'm gonna open today contains jumbo packs, and each jumbo pack would have 25 cards. Excited! I'm gonna eeny meeny miny mo. This is gonna be the one. With artworks from Obsidian Flames, we're gonna open Dark Crystal Blaze today. Let's go Mumbo Jumbo. Previously, I opened 2 boxes that contain slim packs. You may watch that on my channel or I'll link in the description below. Will I get Larry from this jumbo box? I've been very naughty. I was trying to poison my colleague to buy Pokemon cards. I understand why people choose to stick with English or Japanese Pokemon cards. For me, I opened Chinese because of the exclusivity. That was a cool bubble wrap, wasn't it? With its jumbo size comes jumbo weight. Yes, definitely heavier than the slim ones. Let's just take a look at the box art first. Chinese Pokemon is called Bao Bei Bao Kemon. And here we have the rarity breakdown. Let me go grab one of the slim boxes to compare the rates. Oh, so by the box itself, the color is already different. We'll just zoom into the rarest SR, SARs, and URs. The slim one is 0.73% and the jumbo is at 1%. And the least goes down with 6.01% for jumbo and 4.74% for slim. SARs and ultra rares are not guaranteed. Okay, finally, let's get into opening. There are 6 jumbo packs per box. Let me show you something. See how the flame gets extended? Something random but I like. Can I finally get Larry? Can I stop buying this? If Larry's artwork didn't contain any food, I probably wouldn't hunt for it so badly. Okay, this isn't considered bad, but it's more than my usual. Let's see what's in the first pack. Look at these 25 cards. As usual, I'm gonna zoom in on all the artwork. That's to appreciate every artist's hard work. Suddenly I'm craving Tim Tam because I saw it in the supermarket. First hit double rare EX card. Second hit from the second pack, Master Ball. I'm not sure if there's gonna be any more hits behind, but let's see. There's supposed to be a cut trick, but I prefer not to do it. And the cut behind is a hollow. Followed by, oh, there's another hit. EX double rare. This pack looks a bit off, probably he is here. First art rare. Please no duplicate. Oh, I love this card, but I have it already. Let's see what's next. SR. From the color, I kinda know what's the SR. On a positive note, I don't have this card. Let me think how to do this. That was terrible. There are still chances to get other things in the other packs. Speaking of Gengar, Gem Pack Volume 3 is out. Lots of exclusive artwork in Gem 3. Oh, double hit box? Wait, usually people get 1 SR per box, right? Do I have this? Okay, let me just count the cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cards from the back for the card trick if everything goes right. Seeing that there are 2 SRs so far, I wonder what's gonna be in the rest of the packs. This is the guy, Qingmu. Oh, this card. I almost got this card in the Korean version. Somebody was trying to swap Korean for my Japanese. And then a little debate came up. Made me almost lose my temper. Almost became a Charizard. But I'm glad I didn't. In some cases, ignorance isn't bliss. Last but not least pack. Another hit. Two SRs in this jumbo box. Is that good? And that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching to the end. I hope you can like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and join me again in the next one. To watch more content, you can click one of the 4 videos shown on screen right now. Thank you. I forgot to filter out my EX cards.